Good afternoon. It is 1:08-ish, and I've been up for like 2 hours, so yeah. But in like 2 hours, I'll be alone, so that'd be great. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today. Probably nothing. So yeah, like I said, it is 2:12 now, and I'm alone for a little while. But my dad said to me, "Go get gas in your car." I'm like, "Okay." I go to open the door, it doesn't open. I'm like, put my hand to block the sunlight to see if the little light's blinking, and it's not blinking. I'm like, great. Open the door, my battery's dead. So I'm charging that now, but I have to change the clock in it because it says it's like 10:40 right now. Yeah, so that's fun, but I'm kind of hungry. As weird as that sounds, but yeah, so I'm back here for a few days until Sunday. I don't know exactly how well that last clip came out on yesterday's vlog, simply because I was doing it at 11 some odd at night and everyone else was asleep. So, yeah, but my allergies are deciding to go full force and hit me, but it's slowly getting better, so that's good. Part of me thinks it's partially a sickness thing too, because I have a cough every once in a blue moon now, and then that could be stemming from when I got stuck in the snow. So yeah, because we were standing outside for 40 minutes, then like 10-ish, waiting for the Uber. But yeah, full disclosure, wow, my face looks really red. If there's not a vlog tomorrow, it is because it's Thanksgiving and I basically am going to be at my grandmother's for a while, so I don't know exactly when we're gonna leave and when we'll get back. So if there's nothing tomorrow, then that's the reason. But hopefully at some point in the later future, I will get like, yeah, hopefully it's not where I go, yeah, there's probably not gonna be something tomorrow. But so I'm charging the battery, like I said, in my car, and I'm gonna leave that charging for a little while. And if I don't get to like get gas in my car today, then I'll get it tomorrow or something, sometime along the lines of that. But now let's see. It is mildly cold. Well, actually, no, it's not mildly cold. It's fucking cold. But let's see. Yeah, different than back at school. But let's see. All right, I'm charging a little bit. That's good. It was at 0 and now it's kind of coming up. So, but yeah, the bay. So my car will be coming back to school with me. I have to. I have to super glue this piece back on to here because I had left that window open just enough so where it would like get water in, and this ended up popping off. So at some point I will fix that, and then yeah, we'll just figure it out from there, I guess. So let's see what's coming back with me to school. My car, the Xbox, and yes, my sister put up the Christmas tree. Those two. I'm bringing Joking Hazard. If you don't know what that is, hey Siri, can you turn on the light in Zach's room, please? That's one thing that I will never get used to. But if you don't know what that is, and or where the hell did I put it? Alright, if you don't know what that is, it's basically the Cyanide and Happiness version of Cards Against Humanity. And I have lately been watching a lot of Cards Against Humanity, just like people doing random videos on it, and oh good lord, I never realized how interesting Cards gets. But yeah, so hopefully that'll be fun too. So I just checked my battery on my car and it said that it was at 100% charge, complete. Oh, okay. But that was on just like engine start boost. So then I switched it to charging, and then it went down, went back up to 100%, but that didn't seem right. So then I did that for a little while, and then it's back at just like charging. So I'm gonna give it a little while now before I go out and get gas, and then yeah, pray that it just yeah. Yeah, but after that, I'm just gonna get gas, come back, and then we'll see what happens from there, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna go check it now. Okay, I have keys, wallet, phone. Hold on. This, perfect. Let's check it now, see if it runs, and if it does, disconnect it. Put everything away, but keep my car, ooh, nah, I was gonna say keep my car running, but, yeah, no, let's not do that. It does not say charge complete, so, just gonna leave it for now. Part of me wants to see if my car actually turns on, but also, let's see, keys out. In, we'll set you right here for now. I just want to see. Let's close this a smidge. This onto accessories. That's on. It should turn. Huh. Interesting. Hush. Okay. It doesn't pull the gas meter, so either it's because it is that far down, or just the fact of it is like, it's just how it is. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna blow my nose, take that off, and then attempt to go down and get gas, which most of it's downhill, so it shouldn't matter, but I don't know. Alright, and now I have to wait, because my car does not turn over yet. So I call my dad, and I'm like, do you think it's good to take it off the charger now? And he's like, try and start it with it still on. Then, if it starts, jump out, disconnect it, and then go from there. So I tried to start it, and it didn't crank. So, yeah, now I let the battery charge. Yay. Part of me thinks the battery itself is actually dead. So, if that's the case, then I need a new battery. If that isn't the case, then I just need to let that thing charge. That was great English. So, now, I'm gonna just sit and play Horizon. Somehow, my hood just fell. And praying that nothing comes down. Hold on. Here's hoping that doesn't fall over again. So I just checked it and nothing like fell off or whatever. But this, however, needs some loving. Or it just needs to be worked a little to get back to what it was, because all that that you see in there, all that's all rust from something. This, however, started to pop out. I don't know why. Alright. I'm gonna go back inside. Don't close again. So that closes every single time a big gust of wind comes. Hence. So it turns out the actual battery itself is dead, so one of two things is gonna happen. One, my dad's gonna get back and we're just gonna jump it with my sister's car, or two, I switch it with the battery that we have here. Or both. Who knows? Now, time to take the battery out of my car. Yeah, it's gonna get interesting. It's gonna be colder than sin because the sun's almost down, and it is only 4:21. Ow, that hurt. I don't know what the hell I just hit, but my tongue hurts all of a sudden. Surprisingly, that battery is a lot lighter than than I remember it. But it's in here. It might just be too cold. I don't know, but I opened the door and it just tried so hard. It tried to get like some sort of power in and it just wasn't going. So well, that's in now. We'll charge it probably tomorrow, but fun is. Also, I'm gonna do an end clip after this, and if you don't see me, then yeah, this is like the end, like the clip after or the clip before the end clip then. But if you've not subscribed, as Horizon 4 is going in the background, but if you've not subscribed and you'd like to do so, but you do not have a YouTube account, make a YouTube account, then click the little red subscribe button down that corner. That would change to gray subscribe to, then ding dong notification bell on the right hand side so we can post an update. Being said, adios.